So I want to show you, I had a little bit of algae in the pool. Not a lot, but the hoses were just covered with algae inside. And that needs to be cleaned because you will never get rid of the algae. Doesn't matter how much shock you put in. So I will show you what I did. So I will use this dryer vent cleaning brush to be able to get inside this and remove the algae. And obviously I don't need it that long because I got 15 feet. But I believe the 15 feet was the shortest one that they sold on Amazon. And I will show you how I'll do everything. I actually think one's going to be good enough because I'm going to go from both sides. So, goes back in. All right, now I'm going to spray this organic solution, all-purpose cleaner, just to kind of like, you know, remove that. I did clean the filters. It's very important for you to clean your filters before you even try to get rid of the algae.